Let's play Sleigh Ride in B flat major. It starts on F, second finger. So let's get our hand in position, open G, fourth finger G. Second finger, here's your starting note. Up, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Lots of fours and twos, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Shift up to second position now. Second finger is thinking about playing a G. F sharp starts it. And I flatten my finger there. First position. Shift. Either open A or fourth finger A on the D string is probably better. Back to first position. Or second finger, first position. And that's an immediate repeat actually to the beginning, typically with the melody. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1. Here we go again. 3, 4, 1. They'll probably never have to play it that fast, but that's as fast as orchestras have played it before. So go back to the slow part. Learn it. Good job.